It's hard to tell at nighttime, but this is a substantial difference versus the regular lights for this 1500 Chevy. I mean, it's just unbelievably even light, and I mean, even the brights don't even like overcome that. Look at that. The yellowness of the lights if it's coming through on this camera, but yeah, really good.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. I think this is a great upgrade for your 2023 Silverado that does not have the LED lights and just has the standard bulbs on here. Auxito was kind enough to send me out their low beam kit. I figured I'd test it out. It's an H11. This is their newest design, the DD-Y19 bulb with the built-in fans. Let's get into it. Okay, basically it's a simple box. Check the link in the description for the coupon code, where you can buy this from, so on and so forth. But this is what it comes with. Get static gloves. I think these are made for children, but do they fit? Let me see. Oh, look at that. I look professional now. Product manual, which we're probably not going to need. It's pretty bolt-in, self-explanatory. You guys get it. Comes with zip ties and the all-important Allen head, because let's take out the bulb itself. Because it actually has a place where you can actually clock this a different way if it's necessary. Okay, I'm not a technical light expert, but I've did enough research on this particular Auxito, and they do have a great reputation, a 2-year warranty on these bulbs, which is a great deal, I think, because you actually have a physical company to go back to. If you do have a problem, or if there's a misfit or something along those lines, you do have a company to go back to. And that's a very key, important thing about a lot of these bulb manufacturers, is that you can buy them off of Amazon cheaper, but you don't know who you're buying from, where you're buying from, all you know, the whole thing. So now, what's really nice about this is that it's got the built-in heat fan. It's got this separate controller. I forget what they call this. Blah blah blah. You know what I'm talking about. And a plug and play. Very simple setup. Should bolt right into these 1500 Silverados. The quality looks fantastic. The rubber on here looks fantastic. So let's get into it. This is going to be more of an install video, but I want to show for the 1500 guys out there how easy it is to install these bulbs and what you're getting in the package. And also, it's really a safety thing. You can actually, you know, for those nighttime, late night driving up in the woods or anything like that, you're increasing the light projection from one of these. So it's actually a pretty good deal. Okay, we're going to try to attempt to film this and see if this works out. Very simple on these particular trucks that I can see, because this is the first time I'm doing this, so this will give a gauge of whether this is easy or not. I see the dust cover right here. Wow, super easy. Let's put that to the side and let's go look for the bulb. It's in here. Unlike other vehicles, you have to take out the whole headlamp. This seems to be, oh, yeah, there you go. Oops, hit the camera. One thing is that if you can see, the washer bottle is in the way of your hands. So Makes it on the driver's side a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. I could have made a removable bracket, but yeah, whatever. Oh, there we go. You got your standard bulb. Got your clip. Get your factory halogen H11 bulb. Which is really nice is that you probably don't have to adjust the collar on this, because already I can see the tabs, these 3 tabs here already lining up to where they're supposed to be. We'll find out. So, all right, let's go put this in. On this particular one, you got to do it blind, which makes it a little bit more difficult with the camera in your face here. Oh yeah, one cool thing about these particular things is that it has a cooling fin here. It goes all the way down the shaft to keep this bulb nice and cool. Still going to run hot. Halogens run hot too, so it is what it is. Come on, baby, get in. All right, let's reposition the camera because it's in my way. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to come in or not, but these fans are super quiet. Let me put the mic down there. Can't even hear them. Some of the other brands, they're just like whistling away and really annoying. But yeah, let's just do that again. Cool beans. This side of the truck is just a repeat. The only difference is that you don't have a washer bottle over here, which just makes it a lot easier to get your hands up in here to touch and get everything up in here. So there's no reason to film this side, but you can see, super easy, hands in here. You can actually get to the high beams in here too, which is really nice. Holy smokes, look at the difference on this. Broad daylight out, and you could just tell the difference. This is the reason why I'm doing it like this instead of at nighttime. Everything looks good at night, but during the day, that just cleans up that whole front of this truck compared to that yellowish tint. Oh, wow. What a nice difference. Well worth it. Think of how good they look during the day versus what they're gonna look like during the night. Okay. Overall, an A+. Plug and play, literally 5 minutes if I didn't have to set up the camera. You take off the dust covers, plug the bulbs in. Oh yeah, check this out. Hope this comes in. This is what I pulled out of my truck. Does that say? Made in China. On a GM truck, but that's another topic. Okay, we get a point deducted because you have to take off the dust shields, and you can't put them back on because, let me take you to the truck. Okay, I'm pretty sure I can modify this for the wiring harness, but since you have this controller for the bulb, it sticks out. I can actually technically tuck this into the housing, but I'm uncomfortable that this gets so hot that it's inside the actual housing. But I don't think it's a big deal for not having this dust cover in it, because the bulbs are sealed inside the casing of the lights. I guess this is like a triple protection. So this is something you have to consider if you live in a dusty or muddy environment. You might not. You might want to be able to modify these to put the bulbs on, but overall, yes.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross